Welcome to Scholars Tutorial. Today we'll learn about adjectives. So, what exactly is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun, giving more detail about qualities, characteristics, or numbers. For example, happy, tall, red, and clever are all adjectives. There are 6 main types of adjectives: descriptive, quantitative, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, and proper adjectives. Let's go through each one with an example so it becomes nice and clear. Let's start with descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives tell us about the quality or characteristic of a noun, like beautiful, small, or brave. For example, tall boy. Here, tall describes the boy. And in soft pillow. Here, soft describes the pillow. Next, quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives show amount or quantity, like few, several, many, enough. For example, 3 apples. Here, 3 tells us the quantity of apples. Another example, many students. Here, many tells us the quantity of students. Now let's look at demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjectives point to a particular noun, like this, that, these, those. For example, this car. Here, this points to a specific car nearby. Another example, those books. Here, those points to specific books that are further away. Next, possessive adjectives show possession, like my, your, his, her, their. For example, my bag. Here, my shows that the bag belongs to me, and in, her phone. Her shows that the phone belongs to her. Moving on, interrogative adjectives are used in questions like which, what, whose. For example, which book? Here, which is asking about a specific book. Another example, whose jacket? Here, whose is asking who the jacket belongs to. Finally, proper adjectives come from proper nouns, such as Indian, Victorian, Japanese. For example, Indian food. Here, Indian is a proper adjective formed from the proper noun India. Another example, Victorian style. Here, Victorian is formed from the proper noun Victoria. So remember, adjectives make nouns more specific by adding quality, quantity, ownership, or identification. With Scholars Tutorial, grammar becomes easy and clear. Subscribe and follow Scholars Tutorial for clear, exam-focused 11+ support. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.